Bunch of squadron patches, U.S. Air Force, World War II. Well, they might be after World War II. Some of them might be. I'd have to look that up. That's on leather. Blimp Squadron, Detachment 6, Key West, Florida. Carrier Wing 5. That's 3rd Air Force. Sunday Punchers. These are older patches. Cruise 1959. No idea. That's Bugs Bunny. The Iron Angels. I'm getting soaking wet. And a Torpedo Bomber Squadron, I'm sure. So, along with a bunch of badges that are in here. The medals, US. Nothing tremendous, but it's more stuff. So, that's more stuff to go through. Then we get, it's not even funny. There's so much more. There's boots, there's officers' boots. I guess we'll go around to the other side because there's bags of cloth in here that I have to look at. So I might as well put the seat back and use that. Actually, I'll just use the mail bucket. So what do we got? I don't think there's a lot in there. Nothing special. That's better. Nothing tremendously special. US World War I medical DI, signals. Nothing special tremendously, really, right? Going next. World War I US, B artillery, C artillery, 302nd artillery, 48th Highlanders, buttons, rank, Marine Corps. Extra chins, no, that's rank, cuff rank, officers. Some more squadron patches, more modern probably. They're not old like the other ones were. 67, 76, yeah. There's one of the boots to that nursing grouping. I have both pairs in here somewhere. Spats, button stick, pattern 08 web belt. It's someone I put badges on, you can tell at one time. 1916, size medium. That's nice. Some field cutlery. Some more buttons. I'll skip on this for now. Spats.